The Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro is the latest Samsung Galaxy S21 series equivalent of the stunning Apple AirPods Pro. But it doesn't even scratch the surface of what these genuine wireless earphones can do. Active noise cancellation is indeed enabled on both the Galaxy Buds Pro earbuds and the AirPods Pro. And they both offer spatial audio capability, which helps enhance the immersion of television shows and movies. They also have fantastic battery life before requiring recharging. There is a lot more you need to know about the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro, and we will be discussing all of that in this video. So, do stay with us. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below to get a notification on our next video. January 14, 2021, marked the unveiling of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro, which went on sale along with the Samsung Galaxy S21 smartphone. The device is yours for only $199, and even though it's a bit pricey, they're well worth the upgrade, given how much better they are compared to their predecessors, Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. The Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro comes in 3 colors to match the new Samsung Galaxy S21. These include the Phantom Silver, Phantom Black, and Phantom Violet, and the color of the buds will correspond precisely with the charging case. The case itself is designed like a little jewelry box, with a concave lid that unhinges in the center and flaps open. The small size of the case makes it very convenient for slipping it into your pocket. The buds, on the other hand, are entirely different from their bean-shaped forerunners. The Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro have returned to their original state as ear-tip-equipped sound funnels. They're perhaps best described as funnels because they're rather lengthy for earbuds, reaching less than an inch in length. The buds also require all of that space for their array of sensors, microphones, and pogo pins. They include a shiny plastic covering on the outside and 2 additional microphones with a windshield to decrease ambient noise when going outside. The 2 standout features of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pros are active noise cancellation and IPX7 waterproofing. This is so far the highest classification for Samsung earbuds to date. Samsung's earphones have only been IPX2 or IPX4 water resistant up until now. That meant they were okay for a few drops of rain or a little sweat, but they weren't the type of gear you'd want to take with you for a vigorous workout. The Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro is safe against freshwater submersion for up to 30 minutes at a depth of up to 1 meter. This means you don't have to worry if they get lost in the bathtub for a few minutes. It's a significant step forward for Samsung, and it competes with the best earbuds on the market. The noise cancellation feature is also an impressive feat from Samsung. The 3 inbuilt microphones help the Galaxy Buds Pro screen out noise more than the Galaxy Buds Live. The design of Samsung Galaxy Buds isn't exclusive to Samsung. Audio specialist AKG, a subsidiary of Harman, a part of Samsung, also assisted in fine-tuning the headphones' EQ. How did they fare? The Buds Pro offers a balanced sound quality that isn't very shrill in the trebles or overly bloated in the bass. Fortunately, if you like to fiddle with the EQ of your buds, the Samsung wearable app allows you to do so, thanks to the dynamic setting. However, none of them provides a broader, fuller sound stage. We hope that would change when Samsung presents 360 audio support later this year, which the company claims will bring theater-like, multi-channel sound to the buds. Worse, if you don't have a Samsung Galaxy smartphone, the sound will be sent via AAC or SBC, both of which are discardable codecs. It implies a significant difference between using them with Samsung's scalable codec devices, such as the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G, and using them with a device that uses SBC, such as the Google Pixel 3. While this is another benefit of the headphones for Samsung smartphone customers, it puts the earbuds in a difficult position on other carriers. The Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro battery life is adequate for active noise filtering earbuds, but it falls short of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, which provided 11 hours of playback time on a single charge. Even so, users are getting ANC and Bixby, both of which are power hogs. Samsung claims that one charging cycle would give 5 hours of listening enjoyment, with the charging case providing an extra 13 hours if ANC is enabled. If you turn it off, the buds should last 7 to 8 hours, and the case's battery may last up to 20 hours. The Galaxy Buds Pro also supports fast charging, and after only 5 minutes on the charger, you should have enough battery for an hour of use. The USB-C connection allows for fast charging, but wireless charging is also possible, but it isn't as fast. What do you think about the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro? Would you like to have it? Thanks for watching this video. Please share your opinions in the comments section below, and remember to click the subscribe button to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.